In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fold and unfold notes on MindNode. If you've ever wanted to keep your mind maps clean while still keeping extra details close at hand, this will help you master note visibility on both Mac and iPhone or iPad. Start by launching MindNode on your device and opening the mind map that already contains notes. You don't need to create anything new for this. Just open the map you're working on so we can focus on managing the notes you've already added. Next, find a node that has a note attached. You'll know it's there because you'll see a small note indicator, often a page or speech bubble style icon. Notes are perfect for storing supporting text, links, and any extra context you don't want cluttering the main branch. Think of them as a hidden drawer attached to the node. To fold or hide a note on Mac, first click the node to select it. On the right side of the screen, open the Inspector panel and switch to the Notes section. You'll see the note content there. Click the collapse arrow within the Notes area to hide the text. The note doesn't disappear, it simply tucks away so your map stays tidy. A quick tip: on Mac, the keyboard shortcut. Option plus Command plus N opens or closes the Notes panel, which makes toggling very fast as you move through your map. On iPhone or iPad, tap the node to select it, then tap Notes in the toolbar. You'll see the note content appear. Tap the collapse arrow to hide the note. This keeps your canvas clean, especially helpful on smaller screens. When you're ready to unfold or show a note again on Mac, return to the Notes section in the Inspector and click the expand arrow. The full note content reappears, so you can read or edit it without leaving the node. On iPhone or iPad, simply tap the collapse note icon on the node. The note text expands below or beside the node, depending on your layout, so you can review the details right where you need them. That's all there is to it. Open your map, spot the note icon, fold notes to keep things clean, and unfold them when you need the details. Using this approach helps you stay focused on the big picture while keeping rich context just a click or tap away. Try using the shortcut on Mac to move faster, and get comfortable switching between folded and unfolded states as you work. With a little practice, your maps will stay clear, organized, and ready for deep thinking without losing any of your important information.